next question. Is it super important not to sleep on our back or stomach? Case of man. How big is the possibility that the Satan's wife is going to attack a man sleeping alone in a house?
So that's a very good question. So why is it prohibited to sleep on the back or on the stomach? Because it creates pressure, and for men it could be wasting of seat. So it's not like his wife is there or not there. So even he's not sleeping alone, right? And he's attacking. Even forget about this Satan wife, right? Because per person did watch whatever he watched on the internet, and he saw on the street whatever filth he saw, and now it's in his mind, and now the thing is going to happen. He's going to have a dream, and not because she came to him, this Satan's wife, but because this guy provoked, right? It says don't what was the expression? Guard your eyes during the day, so it would not come to sin during the night. So meaning what? It was his fault 100%, right? And when a person sleeps like that, it creates pressure. So bigger possibility, probability that it's going to happen. What was the second part of the question? I think it was second one. Sorry.
Yeah, it's the probabilities of wasting seed when a man is sleeping alone in a house.
Alone in the house, yeah, it says it's not proper. So if you can have, or if you have somebody else in a different room, like have a room like door open, stuff like that. Yeah, but it's those are two separate things. I mean, if a person is living alone, so what do you want? I mean, not to sleep, have his neighbor come to sleep with him. I mean, there's a bigger danger, yes. So demons, for example, they attack only person who is alone. Right? Some when that's why during the night it's not allowed for a person to walk alone. I mean, today we have all of the street lights, and they're afraid of the lights. But in some places, for example, for me, it's like it was shocking when we would go long time ago, when we would go to vacation, or even in Israel. Like, unless it's in Jerusalem, some big city, like it's dark. Like in your hotel room, yeah, there is some lights. Like there's no street lights. Of course, they preserve the energy, and there are not so many people, and they can do without lights. So, I mean, and nobody is walking like in the middle of the night. But where I live, it's always lights. It's like in a city, always like people walking in the middle of the night. Sometimes like they like in the middle of the street, like especially in the summer when you have windows open, they laugh, they talk like 4 in the morning, 3 in the morning, that's a different atmosphere. But in olden days, like if it would be dark, and I imagine like in Israel, like sometimes it's so dark, or even where we live, we used to go somewhere on vacations, like there are no street lights. That's it. So that's when demons would attack person. Okay. So, but when we walk alone, alone with somebody else, so it's less danger. Somehow they're afraid. Don't ask me how, but they're afraid of second person.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.